Hi everyone, welcome back to my brand new video. This is a follow-up to a video I recorded on the 3rd of January when I was having issues and still having issues with this grapevine. Today is the 11th of March, so it's just 10 or 11 days into autumn. And unlike the other grapes that have done fantastically well in their growth, this one remains short. It did manage to put on about 20 centimetres of growth. We'll have a look again at the pH and see what's happening to there. So again, I'm scratching away the soil out at 25 centimetres from the trunk to see what the moisture is doing it. We did give it a light watering this morning, so I wouldn't expect it to be overly wet. Seems to be a continual problem that the moisture is just not getting through. Let's try this other side. Here too it's reading as dry, so I'm not sure still what's going on. Might need to put in some wetter soil. But as you can see, the native cooch is starting to come through, so there must be some moisture in the ground. Now we'll take a look at the pH. This remains relatively unchanged. Back in January, I did treat the soil to some liquid sulphur at the rate of 30 millimetres to 2 litres of water. So I did put that in, but the pH is roughly the same as it was back then. Let's try this side again. Yeah, that's even gone further to the left, so it's further alkaline than it was before. So again, I think I'll have to pull back this mulch, give it a good dosing with liquid sulphur again, and a bit of a feed up and see if we can get it going. Although this time now it's going to start going into dormancy. You can see some of the leaves are starting to turn yellow, so it really is the end. So what's the plan for this one in winter? I think we're going to come back. None of these arms have really grown thicker than the pencil width, so I'm either going to cut it. Yeah, I'm probably going to remove this part here, and hopefully something takes off from down here, or just remove it at this level here. I don't really want to keep any of this on because it's just not doing the right thing. And I think we'll give it another shot next year. If you'd like to see the original video I took back on the 3rd of January, the link is in the description below. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.